Alright, we're gonna go inside here. It's just a tad snowy today. Yeah. So I came out here to shovel. You know, it was pretty rough. You know, it was up to the past that 667. I had to freaking slam the door to get it open to get out here. But I mean, you can see the height of this. It's, you know, I just put my arm to that. Like, you can see that. It's about a good 14 inches. I just shoveled 2 minutes ago. And there's already a thick layer of snow. You can see the tracks. And when I was shoveling, I don't know if you can see anything. It's just a white madness. I just shoveling. I got to here. This spot right there. And you know, I think I was defeated because you know, I brought the snow shovel up out of the snow, and well, shovel wasn't attached to the handle anymore, and well, I can't quite figure out how to put it on. I think it's actually cracked, so, well, Mom, I'm sorry. I did my best. I didn't mean to fail you. Just get a better shovel next time. But you can see, they haven't even touched the frickin' streets. The plow came by once and did nothing. A lady came by skiing with their dog on the snow, and I think she displaced more snow than the snowplow did. It was crazy. But you can't even see down the street. I can't even see to the end of the block. You can see it's just white madness down there. It's bad. You know, they're saying this is probably the worst snowfall, not worse than the blizzard of '91. You know you're a Minnesotan when you refer to your blizzards by the year. You know, I just stop in a coffee shop and, you know, you're just like, oh, you guys remember the blizzard of '91? Oh, yeah, that was a tough one. Got us by surprise. Didn't think it was coming. Just, we were all snowed in. If you were a tourist in Minnesota, oh, I don't know why the hell you would be, but you need something to talk about. Just refer to the blizzard of '91, and they'll probably refer you to this one. I don't know. I guess this is the blizzard of 2010. You know, New Orleans had its hurricanes. Well, we got our snowstorms. I don't know what's worse, honestly. At least they don't gotta shovel water. They just kind of have to accept it. Well, can't really accept it because, you know, we kind of can't go nowhere, so gotta shovel it. And our shovels break. And then the snow just covers the sidewalk. And then you ask somebody, like, why the hell are you shoveling anyways? Well, I don't know. And I just figured I'd shovel the snow now so I can just cover the sidewalk right back up. I thought it was a good plan. Well, the shovel broke, so I guess that sums up how much of a good plan it was. Mom should be coming home soon. She's like, Michael! Why'd you just stop right there? Well, did you not see the broken shovel as you walked in? Oh, boy. You saw that one. I don't know, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? You can see on top of the roof, there's about another 10-foot mound of snow on the roof. This isn't even like a city anymore. I'm pretty sure we migrated to Antarctica at this point. It's bad. As you can see, there's no signs of letting it down. If you can tell, it's snow's coming down. It is. It's coming down. We've only seen about 2 people out here so far. It's like a barren wasteland, but not really wasted. Just a bunch of snow. I always wonder what's gonna happen to all this snow. You know, it's not gonna just melt. I don't know. I was just born in the blizzard of '91, so this is about as worse as I've seen. My hand is freezing. There's some icicles on the neighbor's roof. That's kind of cool. But it's coming down hard. Kind of waiting just to see if another skier goes by, because that was amusing. But, well, snow defeated me. Tried to shovel. Got stopped just short. Got about to the curb, you know, maybe I thought I can get it out a little bit so the car can park. My mom can get inside. But she might be stranded. She might not be able to make it. It's going to be a tragedy. I'm not sure. It's pretty bad. I don't even have boots, so we'll be lucky if my shoes are still shoes when they thaw. Oh, I got some mail. Snow. Looks dry in there. Welcome to Winter Wonderland. I don't know, you should probably put quotes around wonder. I don't know how much of a wonderland this really is. Broken shovel. Thanks, Blizzard of 2010. You rock.